I have you now.
The reMarkable is, well, reMarkable. An e-ink tablet, with weeks of battery life, and a clutter-free experience, makes it simply amazing. Although not cheap by any means, I personally feel it is worth every penny. It has the facility to put a pin lock on it, to stop those prying eyes. It also syncs over Wi-Fi to your PC and mobile device. You can structure your meanderings and notes into a useful folder structure to keep it all organized. You can import ebooks and PDF documents through the PC app, Google Drive or Dropbox. These PDF documents can then be read and written on. Use the highlighter feature to assist your markup. The ability to select any text by drawing a box around it, and then be able to delete, move, straighten, copy, cut or resize, literally will blow your mind. There are also many templates for every need. From study templates like the Cornell method, to art and grid templates. It comes with 8 GB of storage, which is more than enough for anyone, especially when coupled with the cloud sync, allowing you to archive any documents from the device. You can change the font size if you don't like the standard font. You can also set which hand you write with. With useful updates arriving all the time, new features are never far away. A Dropbox and Google Drive sync were added recently, as well as the ability to screen share, not just over Wi-Fi, but through USB cable as well, all of which I found very useful. All of this seems to pale into insignificance compared to the tablet's star quality, which is it genuinely feels like you are writing on paper.